Hey, what's going on, everyone? Jonathan Davis here with DAS with another completed, fully restored Stage 2 that's going out to the client today. This Jeep has pretty much everything you could do restoration-wise done to it. A full color change paint job. This is a silver birch that matches his motorhome, which it will be pulled behind it all across the country. Paint job itself was a complete disassemble. Every single panel was painted off of the Jeep. Paint wraps around every single panel. This was originally a black Jeep. Like always, a ton of prep work goes into every single panel that we paint, not just the outside, but the inside as well, for a better than factory finish. Stage 2 package with suspension. Every single suspension component is brand new. Coil, springs, shocks, control arms, steering stabilizer, control links, tie rod bars, tie rod ends, track bar, you name it. Stainless steel brake lines, old man emu suspension. Drive line is also done underneath. We ended up doing gears. It has 410 gears, lockers, front and rear. Brand new engine, top to bottom. We did some breathers as well, banks, headers, high flow cats, exhaust, intakes. Did some injector work as well. All new brake system, rotors, calipers, pads, brake system, top to bottom is brand new. We have our DAS Moab wheels. Interior was a complete gut. Down to the floor pans, dyno mat throughout, dyno mat on the door panels, the roof as well, new carpet, our DAS seats, all new nice thick bolsters. Customer requested the steering wheel as well, so we did all this in-house. Arm pad as well. New tweed headliner throughout, all new audio system. Part of our system is all new wiring as well. Upgraded cooling system with an upgraded radiator, triple fan unit. Everything underneath the engine bay while we're here. Door checks, brackets, pins, all brand new. All the lighting and lenses are all new as well. So for our repaints underneath the hood, gets prepped just like anything else. Color matched aluminum valve cover that we did. Brand new AC system all the way around. As you see, upgraded header, water pump, thermostat, entirely new cooling system, intake. When we redo the intakes, we sandblast those, paint those as well. Everything's ready to go on the Blue Ox system for the motorhome, including the brake system, light system, everything. This Jeep, like most of our Jeeps, was custom ordered. The client had contacted us. We put together a full build sheet based on exactly what they wanted, from paint color to interior color to driveline options. There's a ton of other things on this Jeep that we've done that wasn't mentioned in the video, whether it's drive shafts, U-joints, all that sort of stuff. So this is a complete build as far as a clean, classy, restored Jeep. And in our opinion, better than factory because of what it has gear-wise, lockers, interior options, stuff of that nature. This engine with the setup is producing about 30 horsepower more than a factory 4.0. It is a built engine by us, 30 overbore, some upgraded internals. So this thing paired with the 410s really goes good down the road, feels a lot more peppy than a factory Jeep. So you guys have any questions about us building a Jeep that you currently own, or having us provide the Jeep like we did in this case, you can contact us at 855-XJ Jeeps. That's 855-955-3377. Thank you.